Hello and welcome. Thank you for enrolling. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your own website. In this course, our main example will be under food photography. So let's get started. So what you are going to use in this course for the website part, you are going to use Wix.com. You can also use WordPress, but I think using Wix as a change is great. So let's get started. So you have to log in. After you log in, it's going to bring you here to your dashboard. Then you are going to click on the plus sign. Then you are going to click on photography. Then you are going to click on full photography. Since you are using full photography for this course, yeah, I found it. So it's coming up, and you will actually need a domain. So you can get a domain with Wix. You can subscribe to Wix.com, and you can also get it with 1on1.com. They offer some free domains, sorry for that, some cheap domains, and you can also get a free domain to start with at .tk, www.tk. So this is the view. Then just come here, edit site. This is the website. We are going to do portfolio, about, books, blog, contact. Then it's loading. It's going to take some time to load. It's loading the, yeah, I think it's up here. So what we are going to do is edit this first. So we are going to, in this course, the name of the photographer will be George Martin. So let's just use George Martin's photos. Yeah, then it's up there. Then what you do is we edit this. Is editing on Wix is quite simple. We come here, edit text. I can edit to whatever you want. But address is welcome. Then no, George Martin. Then you can also manipulate the text here, but you can increase the fonts. So any fonts that interest you, we need to highlight that to manipulate the fonts. Then if can, let's just keep it at 70. 74 is great. Then you can also make the fonts bold, italic, underlined. Then you can change the font name. Let's just keep it with Aridon. Then let's stop it from underline. Then you can also change the team name, everything. Then you can also check the text and all these highlights. Then you can also add link if you are interested in the link. Then you can also change this, change text. Then you can see get started. Then it's going to link it to portfolio. Then let's just save it like that. Then here, this the social bar. You can change. What you are going to be doing here is, I don't really like the photos in the social bar, so I will change the photos, the Pinterest, the Twitter, the Facebook, and the Instagram photo. So I'm going to change the photo using the library of Wix. So let's just wait while it's loading. So everything is up. So what we are going to do is we are going to delete all this. Then we add icons. Then we come here to Facebook. Yeah, I think this is good. Add to gallery. Then we come here to Instagram. Yeah, let's see this. Then back to, let's choose Twitter. Yeah, amazing. So after you just drag and drop. So you might be wondering, we are just adding icons. How can we, when people click on it, where will it take us to? Actually, it's not going to take anywhere until you add the link. Later in this course, we are going to be discussing on Facebook and marketing, Instagram marketing. So you need a page. So what you do is you add the link to your page. So you can just use, for instance, if this link is working, it's going to take us to the website, to facebook.com/user/skillfun academy. It's going to take us to Skillfun Academy's page. So what you are going to do, this is the way to edit it. Then you are going to choose if it should be in current window. If they click on it on current window, it's not going to go to a new tab. It's going to continue the process in the current tab. So I'm just going to choose new window. Then I'm going to click on done. So that's the first aspect of boom. Then what you are going to do here is you are going to edit this. So I'm just going to just make sure you remove this. Then George. Then currently I'm making this video in 2017. You might be watching this video in 2018, 2019, 2020, anytime. But currently I'm just going to stick with the 2017. Then that's all. Then what you are going to do next is you are done with the home page. Then you are going to go into portfolio. You can always change this. Can always change this as I change it. You can always change it. Then what you are going to do, you are going to come to pages. We are going to edit this portfolio. This first gallery, second gallery, third gallery implies to this editorial, food and serve, and a baked goods. This editorial is coming to this first gallery. This second gallery is this food and serve is coming to this second gallery, and this third gallery implies to this baked goods. So let's just edit this. So edit tests. Then we are going to like SEO pasta. Then let's edit this. Then yes. Then that's good. You can let's switch and thirdly like yeah. Then you can see, let me scroll down a bit. Then you can see everything is back in place with the Facebook, or everything we changed in the home page is also changed here. So let's go to the about page. Then what you are going to do is here is this. You can only think about. Then since you are George, about judge. Then you can always edit. Then let's manipulate this a little. I think this with let's see Comic Sans. Yeah. Then you can always change to bold and others. So I'm just going to edit this. Then perfect. So you can also see here introducing columns. The new way to create beautiful content layout. I enter a column, then click. I'm just going to skip that for now. Then you can always do this. And this what they are talking about is an example of the column. This is the fourth column and this is the second column. So we are just going to go to the third part, the fourth part. Then you can see this. Then editorial. The first time when we edited these two, so let's just edit and change it to faster. And to make, then let's just change this. If let's just add the photo here, manage media. Then what we are going to do is we can always choose, we can add media. Let's just come to add media, images. Then let me choose this, apply. Then choose, oh yeah, choose this. Then it has been applied. So in the next, you can always do it is they are all the same, but since we didn't change anything about it, maybe then you can always come back to it and edit. Then books, then you can always edit these for instance breakfast, then edit, then change it. Then you can always change the price. This is just a test. Let's just let's see, $150. Let's expand this a little. Yeah, perfect. Then this buy is going to direct them to the sales page. Then that's all about books, nothing to edit. And you can also see it has changed right here. Then let's move to blog. In this course, the blogs are blog is very important because you are going to use a way of building your audience, especially when you are going into answering of questions. You can see there's not easy to change. You can create new post, you can create a post, you can see how amazing Wix.com is. You can create a post, you can change the text, welcome to your blog, click to preview all this amazing stuff. Then you can see there's nothing really to change in this. They've done it, and if you have, you can always delete this. And in this blog, you can see your viewers can write the comments. It shows the number of views, and it can also log the blog. So it shows the number of supports to your blog. Then contacts. This you can always change this. So you can see this, for instance, when your audience, people that comes to your visitors to this website, the visitors to this website, if they have a question, this is the purpose of this. Then when they hit the send button, where will it go? So this is very very important. That's why I love Wix. You can always yes, you can always set emails. So what you are going to do is you are going to set emails. I'm just going to click on, or let's see, at gmail.com. Then I think, oh sorry, then I think I do. Then when it sees the send button, it's going to take it to the gmail.com. Then you can, here we have subscription, email subscription here. Then that's all with building of website with Wix. Pretty cool, easy to edit, and that's all. So what we are going to do is we are going to preview. Yeah, then preview. Let's come home and see how beautiful this is. And if you are on a subdomain, like for instance georgemartins.wixsite.com, it's going to pop this up that this site was created using wix.com. Create your own free. Then you can see create a website. Then, but if you are on a paid domain, whether you linked it from another domain, from your existing domain, or you bought it with Wix, it's not going to show it. So I really recommend buying a domain. So you can see portfolio, about, books, blogs, and contents. So you can see this website is also mobile friendly thanks to Wix. What we have, you can see, then you can always do this on the phone. Portfolio, you can see pasta, food, and pickles. About, you can see how mobile friendly is this, and you can always check this on the iPhone. Then let's go back to our editor. Let's come back to it. Then let's go back to desktop view. Then we save it, saved, then we publish. So this is the website. Then you can always click on done when you are okay. But let's say you want to connect it with if you have a domain, you can always upgrade now. Then you can subscribe if you are new to domain, you want to get a domain, or if you want to link your domain, you can always get it there. Then let's preview website. View site. It's already published. So this is the site. Then this is because you're on a subdomain. That's the reason why it's bringing this. Yeah. So thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next lecture.